Nature doesn't need paint to create extraordinary colors. Across the planet, minerals, microorganisms, heat, and water transform ordinary landscapes into shades that seem almost unreal. Today, Majestic Earthscapes explores 5 colorful places created entirely by nature. On the island of Mauritius, 7-colored earth turns bare volcanic ground into rolling dunes streaked with red, brown, violet, yellow, and purple. The colors developed as ancient basaltic rock weathered under a warm, humid climate, leaving mineral-rich soil behind. Iron compounds contribute warmer red and brown tones, while variations in the weathered material create the shifting shades visible across the surface. Even more unusual, the different colors remain clearly separated, instead of blending into one uniform layer. Morning and late afternoon light deepen the contrast, making the small dunes appear to change color as shadows move across them. What looks like carefully arranged sand art is actually a geological palette shaped slowly from volcanic rock. Off the southern coast of Western Australia, Lake Hillier stands out as a vivid pink strip surrounded by green forest and the deep blue Southern Ocean. Unlike reflections that disappear when the light changes, the lake's unusual color comes from conditions within its extremely salty water. Salt-tolerant microorganisms and pigments associated with them are believed to play an important role in producing its distinctive pink appearance. A narrow band of vegetation separates the lake from the ocean, making the contrast especially dramatic when seen from above. Its compact shape and remarkably consistent color make Lake Hillier look almost artificial against the surrounding island. In Yellowstone National Park, Grand Prismatic Spring spreads across the ground like a giant rainbow seen from above. Its deep center appears intensely blue because clear, hot water scatters blue wavelengths, while temperatures near the middle are too extreme for most visible microbial growth. Toward the cooler edges, heat-loving microorganisms form broad bands of yellow, orange, green, and brown around the spring. Different communities thrive at different temperatures, turning the changing heat of the water into visible rings of color. Steam constantly drifts across the surface, briefly hiding and revealing the enormous blue center beneath it. Grand Prismatic is more than a colorful hot spring. It is a landscape where temperature itself can almost be read through color. Across southwestern Spain, Rio Tinto flows through the landscape in shades of rust red and burnt orange that seem more suited to another planet. Its highly acidic water passes through a region rich in sulfide minerals, carrying large amounts of dissolved iron into the river system. Microorganisms adapted to extreme acidity help oxidize iron, producing ferric iron compounds that intensify the river's distinctive rusty color. Along the banks, mineral deposits add yellow, brown, and ochre tones, creating an entire landscape stained by chemistry. These extreme conditions have even made Rio Tinto valuable to scientists studying environments that may resemble parts of ancient Mars. Here, color is not decoration. It is visible evidence of chemistry, geology, and microscopic life working together. Deep in the forests of Hokkaido, Japan, Kaminoko-ike Pond glows with a clear blue that seems almost illuminated from below. Cold spring water continually feeds the small pond, keeping it remarkably transparent and allowing fallen trees to remain visible beneath the surface. As sunlight enters the clear water, changing light conditions can shift its appearance between turquoise, sapphire, and deeper shades of blue. The pale trunks resting underwater add another layer of contrast, appearing almost suspended beneath the glowing surface. Surrounded by dense green forest, the pond feels completely different from the volcanic soil, pink lake, hot spring, and iron red river before it. And in this quiet blue water, nature leaves one final reminder that its most extraordinary colors need no human hand.